Hi pet parents, today we're going to show another example of a cat shave for spring. So this is how he was before. And then this is after we've shaved him. Half his body with half his hair. And now we're taking the hair off the other side. And there's the matting. And now he's done.